So good to see some of our good friends and our supporters that are here this morning. Some are new faces, some are faces that we see every year at our annual breakfast. And we so much appreciate you all coming out this morning in a little bit of rain this morning, but I'm just so glad to see your faces.
I do want to say thanks to all of you. Thank you all for coming today. This is a wonderful event that not only celebrates an important cultural and educational component of our community, but is a reminder of the hard work that has been done and the hard work that has to continue.
When I became aware of the 400th anniversary of the Africans arriving at Jamestown, I knew this was an opportunity to mark a remembrance with the Banneker School.
I pour this next libation to those who survived the tragedy of slavery, those who after the event of slavery had the wisdom to build schools and to name them Banneker and to work with others to restore life and liberty. Those who have struggled, that we can stand here today and honor them and recognize them for all that they endured and all that they went through. That we can move forward, that we can use our Sankofa to learn from that which we have gone through to where we can look forward to the future now. And to them and to us, I'll pour this final libation. Ashe. 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 Hotep.
Buy the spinning house, grading on the property, we got to make it handicap accessible, you got to have some parking, and all that's probably going to cost another $200,000, if not more. And so this board will continue to be in fundraising mode as we work to the finish line to finish the project.
So what happens at a Banneker School? It's not just a school. It's not just a building. It's not just a place where folks have children. It is actually the continuation and the elevation of the legacy of the enslaved Africans who understood that education itself was a tool for liberation. And then they understood after slavery ended, understood that education was the best way to have self-determination and empowerment. Banneker School is a shrine, and it should be treated like a shrine. It should be treated because there are going to be generations that will come behind us who won't even know Mrs. Douglas and the work that she did to try to get inspired. They will only want to do is go and touch the walls and touch the spirit and understand that all of those who dug holes in the ground to try to learn to be educated, those who snuck away and tried to learn to be educated, those who used their knowledge and set up schools, that this is a replica of what that was. It is a connection to the past. It is a recitation of a glorious, glorious celebration.